Think buying hosting is expensive? Don't worry, it's easier than ordering food. I'll show you how at HostingTom, even with no experience. Let's get started. First, open Google and search for HostingTom. Click on the official website. Great! You've already completed step 1. Now, hover over the hosting menu and click Lifetime Web Hosting. This will open the Lifetime Hosting page. If you're not ready to buy yet, don't worry. HostingTom also offers a free trial, so you can test the service before making your decision. Scroll down and you'll see several lifetime hosting plans. Take a moment to compare the storage and features, then choose the plan that best fits your needs. If you're just starting your first website, a smaller plan is perfect. If you're planning to host multiple websites or expect more traffic, you can choose a larger plan. Once you've made your choice, click Order Now. Next, it's time to connect your domain. You'll see 3 options: register a brand new domain, transfer an existing domain, or use a domain you already own. For this tutorial, we'll select I will use my existing domain and update my name servers. Enter your domain name, choose your extensions such as .com, .in, or whichever one your domain uses. Then click Use. Now let's choose a backup option. We'll select the free weekly backup because, well, free is free, and everyone loves free. Once that's selected, click Continue. You'll now arrive at the Order Review page. If you have a coupon code, enter it in the coupon box and click Validate Code. If you don't have one, that's completely fine. Just click Checkout and continue. Finally, fill in your personal details. Let's fill everything out one by one. Start with your first name and last name. Next, enter your email address. Make sure it's an email you actually use because HostingTom will send you a verification email in a few minutes. Now enter your phone number. Easy so far, right? Let's move down to the billing address section. If you have a company, you can enter its name here. Don't have one? No worries. You can simply leave this field blank. Now enter your street address. If you have additional address details, you can add them in street address too, but it's completely optional. Next, type in your city, then choose your state or region. Enter your PIN code and double-check that your country is correct. If you have a GST or tax ID, you can enter it here. If not, just leave it blank and continue. Now we're almost done. In the Additional Information section, enter your emergency contact number. Next comes the most important part, your account security. Create a strong password that's easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. Enter it again to confirm. Now choose a security question. After selecting the question, simply type in your answer. After filling in your details, choose your preferred payment method, accept the terms and conditions, complete the security CAPTCHA, and click Complete Order. A payment page will now appear. Simply scan the QR code using your favorite UPI app or choose any available payment method and complete the payment. After paying, wait for a couple of minutes while HostingTom verifies your transaction. While you're waiting, open your Gmail inbox. You'll receive a few emails from HostingTom. Look for the email verification message and click the verification link. This step is important because it verifies your account and activates your access. Once your email is verified, go back to the payment page, scroll down, and click Back to Client Area. If your hosting doesn't appear immediately, don't panic. That's completely normal. Just refresh the page, click on Home, and you'll see your newly purchased hosting account waiting for you. And finally, click Login to cPanel. And that's it! Your lifetime web hosting is now ready to use. You can start building your website right away without worrying about monthly or yearly hosting renewals. If this tutorial helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more hosting tutorials. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.